Yeah, imagine if I would have had AI, James, when I started on Udemy, I'd have a million students right now because the power and the leverage of AI, how quick you can do things, how you can leverage time.
Since Dave does not want to toot his own horn, I'm going to toot his horn for you. Dave has made over 100,000 sales with a particular platform, and now he's absolutely crushing it using AI. We're going to break it down on this video.
Well, thanks, James. That's exactly true. I don't like tooting my own horn, but yeah. Let's talk a little bit about a website called Udemy. And Udemy is an interesting platform because it's a platform for online courses. And now with AI, you can easily make an online course. I'm talking in minutes. You can create a whole online course. So here's a little bit about my history with Udemy. I've been on there since I've been there quite a while. I don't remember the exact time I started, but have 104,000 students, and they're all over the world. They're even in countries that I hadn't even heard of before. As you can see here, of course, most of them are in the US, Canada, etc. But look, these are students all over the world that are taking one of my courses or have taken one of my courses. So what I want to share with you here today is this strategy. So in any marketplace scenario, what you want to do is you want to find what are the most popular products on that marketplace, right? So Udemy has this amazing tool called Marketplace Insights. And it says, get Udemy-wide market data to create successful courses. So I'm going to click on that. And this is when you're an instructor on Udemy, and then you say, what course topic are you interested in? So you could type in any keyword here. James, you can come up with a keyword if you want. But here it says, here are some promising topics. So if you happen to know any of this stuff, great. You can go ahead and do that. This all looks very technical to me. Let's try AI and just see what Udemy comes up with. So according to Udemy, these are some popular topics. AI art generation. Oh, we know all about that, right? Microsoft AI, verbal Aikido. That's only because it has the letters AI in it. First aid, same thing. AI, generative AI. There's one. And AI text content generation. Let's go with AI art generation. And let's just see what the hot topics are. So here's an opportunity overview for English courses on AI art generation, high demand, high number of courses. As you can see, the most searched keywords are Midjourney, and we talk a lot about Midjourney on this site, right? AI art, Midjourney version 5, stable diffusion. You could show more. There's other topics of interest. So then it'll give you some data like enrollments by channel, existing courses. So what you can do is you can kind of compare and see what the other courses are doing, what is their title, that kind of thing. So once you've got a handle on what is a hot, popular topic like this, now what you can do is you can use ChatGPT to outline a course on that topic. And just ask ChatGPT, create an outline for a video course on this topic. It'll create an outline for you. And then there are some amazing tools that you can use that outline with that'll actually create the videos for you. Or there's another tool that we talk about that will actually create the PowerPoint slide presentation for you, and then you can record your own course. So there's several ways to do it with AI. There's having AI do the whole thing for you, including voiceover, all the videos, create those for you. Or if you want to be the voice, which I would recommend, I think it's always better to have you as the voice instead of some AI, then you can create a PowerPoint and basically narrate the PowerPoint. It's super easy to do. If you're interested in the idea of creating information products, with Udemy, there's instant access to millions and millions of students. As you see, I have over 104,000 students all over the world. And that's all I did was I created a course, popped it on there, and then Udemy serves it to their millions and millions of students. So that's an amazing way to get free traffic, free people coming to your course and buying your course. But then we have this other amazing way to do this, and that is to build a web of courses around your main course. And we talk about that in my course that goes into detail on this whole strategy. I show you not only how to do keyword research using the Market Insights tool, I show you exactly how to create the course multiple ways using AI. I show you then how to create this web of courses pointing to a higher ticket course. So now these web of courses are all making you money, but they're also pointing to a higher ticket course. That's what I do very often is I have a low ticket course that points to my $1,000 course, and we make sales of that all the time. So that's a strategy that we'd love to share with you. There is a link to the course that goes into full-blown detail down below, 50% off, and you're welcome to check that out if this is of interest to you. Like, the info product world is so amazing and so exciting, right, James? I mean, we're living it, we're in it. We love the info product business.
Yeah, I mean it's grown. We've been in it for a long time, but it's grown and grown and grown every year, and people like information because we're in a place. First of all, you have 100,000 plus students, which is amazing. So you obviously just on this platform alone, by the way, and you have so much value that you can give. So you really need to check out Dave's course below. But with that being said, where we are right now in the world is that we have all this information at our fingertips, but now more and more it's about having curated information. So when you like myself and Dave and you like how we do things, you might want to buy our course because you like our style, you know what you're getting. Because there's so much overwhelm with different information out there, really the winners are going to be those that can kind of curate the content. Who are you going to follow? Who do you want to get that information from? And
Who do you
that's where
trust?
Dave, yeah, who do you trust? And that's where Dave really goes deep into his course. So he is the man. Like I said, and as he's shown, over 100,000 course sales just on that platform alone. He knows what he's talking about. And now when you use the power of AI to literally build the course for you, it's an absolute game changer. So check out the course below and start doing it yourself.
Yeah, imagine if I would have had AI, James, when I started on Udemy, I'd have 1 million students right now, because the power and the leverage of AI, how quick you can do things, how you can leverage time. Guys, I strongly recommend this course if you like the idea of creating courses of any kind, and especially on Udemy. They're telling you what they want more of, and they're telling you what they'll send more traffic to. So check it out down below, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.